Hello, everyone. We're still in chapter 4, and this time we will go through or deeper to talk about straight line and the general form y equal to mx plus b. So normally m refers to the slope, to the gradient of this line, and b easily is the y-intercept. So first of all, if we have the gradient, the y-intercept, so easy, we can construct our equation. We can clarify our equation, okay? We can give the expression of this equation. Good. So if they say for us, if they give us the gradient as -3 and the y-intercept as 2, so normally y equal to the slope -3 with x plus the b. The b is the y-intercept plus 2. So easy to know that, okay? And also we should note that, as I said before, the y-intercept is one of the point of the line with abscissa equal to 0. Abscissa equal to 0. Y-intercept is the point of intersection between the straight line and the y-axis. So this point is located on the y-axis with abscissa equal to 0 because all the points of the y-axis has an ordinate equal to 0, has an abscissa equal to 0, sorry. Okay, so also it is easy to plot the point 0, 2 here. So it is easy because 0, 2 is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept abscissa equal to 0, 0, b is the point of intersection here. Okay, we can go if the gradient equal to -3, so we can say that equal to -3, 1. Okay, or we can say it is 3. Similarly, we can say 3 over -1 because we know that -3 can be written as -3 over 1, 3 over 1. And we know that 3 is the rise and the -1 is the run. So we run from this point, we run -1, then 3 positively. So normally with the positive direction of the y-axis, 3 step to up. So we will obtain this point and we join the y-intercept with this point to obtain our straight line. Or if we use this one, so -3 is the run. How to sorry, -3 is the rise. So how to have and to find the run from this point -3. So run -3. So -3, sorry, as a rise, sorry, rise over run, okay? So normally down, we go down -3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 as a run. 1 with the positive direction of the x-axis will obtain this point, so we can also join this point with this point to obtain the same line. Easy, easy, easy. So easy to find the equation of the line using the gradient and the y-intercept because the y-intercept is for us is b and 3 is m. Good. Find the gradient of the following lines. We have 2 points, okay? From the point, this point to this point. How we can find this point, we can walk as a run and rise to obtain this point. So normally we walk as a run, we walk to the right because this point is located on the right of this one. So we go right, 1, 2, 3. So the run equal to 3, positive 3. Okay, and we go up, then we are on the same x level with this point. So we go up 1, 2, 3, up with the positive y direction. So normally the rise equal also +3. So the gradient equal to rise 3 over 3 equal to 1. Easy, easy, easy also. For example, we have this point and this point. How to get how to get the gradient or how to move. We can move, for example, from this line, we move on the x-axis, for example, we move horizontally 1 in the positive direction, so run equal, as a run equal to 1. And we go, when we are in the same x level with this point, so we go down to reach this point. So we go down in the opposite direction of the positive y direction. So normally the rise equal to -2. Okay, so the -2/1, -2 is our gradient for this line. And easy to find all the information that we need here. For example, if the gradient equal to 3/2 and b equal to 0, because we don't have a b in this equation, we missed the b in this equation. We have a mx plus b, but b is missed. So normally b equal to 0. B equal to 0, so the y-intercept is 0. So normally y-intercept is 0, so 0, 0 is our point, first particular point of this line. And when we have the first particular point of this line, we can use the gradient as a rise and a run. Rise and the run. So we use run first. Run is 2, so 2. We move 2 to the right, and the 3 to the and the 3 up or to the top. To obtain the second particular point of this line, and we draw our line. We should know also, we can remark clearly that any equation, any straight line with this equation ax with b equal to 0, with b equal to 0, with any gradient but b equal to 0, okay, any gradient mx with b equal to 0 is a straight line passing through the origin. It is a straight line passing through the origin, okay? We can keep it in mind. Also, it is very easy, similar. The idea of the exercise 8 is very similar. And if they ask us to rewrite the following equations in the form y equal to mx plus b, it is easy. So we should keep a y term in the left-hand side of the equal, and mx, the x term, and the constant to the right-hand side of the equal. So we have 4x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. We keep minus y first. And we move 4x to the right, or 4x becomes minus 4x, minus 6 becomes plus 6, easy. And we want to get rid of this minus, so normally we can multiply by -1 or divide by -1. The whole terms, all the terms on the right, on the left of the hands of the equal, we divided by -1 to obtain, for example, y equal to -4/-1, 6/-1. So normally, finally, we get this equation in the form y equal to mx plus b. These are the crucial information of this lecture. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.